We have already discussed the value of power in one of our videos. Some use in a good way and some use in a bad way. Some try to improve the lives of people while some torture them and even mercilessly kill them. They have their own rules to follow. This is top 10 facts, and here are the top 10 horrible creatures to have ever ruled. Brace yourself and let's get into it. Number 10. Kim Jong-il. This North Korean villain ruled the country for a period of 17 years after the death of his father Kim Il-sung. He was responsible for the deaths of hundreds of thousands, perhaps millions of North Koreans through widespread starvation and public executions. As we have already discussed in our North Korea video, many citizens were forced to overwork and they have to suffer the 3-generation punishment rule. Under his rule, people were starving to death while he was enjoying all the luxuries available under the same sky. Number 9. Muammar Gaddafi. Being one of the last dictators to live, Muammar Gaddafi was ruling Libya for a whopping 42 years. During his rule, if you find any protest in Libya, then there is a high chance of that particular place being bombed within 2 days. Gaddafi made public healthcare and public education free. You may wonder, really? Hold on, they were highly corrupted. He was so atrocious among Libyans. Ethnic cleansing, women abuse, and extrajudicial punishment were very normal under his rule. Number 8. Shaka Zulu. Often, Western media portrays Africans as cruel, evil, and at times unhuman. A large part of credit goes to African leaders such as Shaka. Shaka was ruling Zulu, a part of modern-day South Africa during the early 19th century. His rule was based on fear of the people. He was a good warrior, but when he rose to power, he became so mad and brutal. When he came to power, those who bullied him and their relatives were brutally murdered. He was sort of a psychopath. When his mother died, he killed many Africans just because their families would also mourn along with him. Number 7. Pol Pot. Pol Pot is a Cambodian revolutionist and a politician who was responsible for the demise of more than a quarter of the population of his country. Pol Pot attempted to make a revolution similar to Mao Zedong's Cultural Revolution, but in the name of making a revolution, he misused the power and was responsible for the death of a large portion of Cambodia's population by starving and overworking. Many were ruthlessly executed in his period. This was coined as one of the worst genocide ever by many historians. Number 6. Benito Mussolini. Being the comrade of the world's worst dictator, Mussolini was not so bad initially. He wasn't really a dictator until 1925. He became the Prime Minister of Italy in 1922, but 3 years later, he announced himself as a dictator. The Italian troops under him committed a series of crimes during the World War II. They bombed Red Cross hospitals, killed various priests and civilians, and even burned various houses and at times even villages. He became very dangerous as he killed more than 2,000 political leaders whom he felt were his potential opponents. He also brutally massacred various civilians with the sole reason of imparting fear in them. Just like his comrade, he too used concentration camps to torture people. Number 5. Saddam Hussein. His name is quite popular among Americans. Saddam was responsible for the death of thousands of people in Iraq. Ethnic cleansing and mass murdering were a daily routine in Saddam's rule. He attempted to kill more than 60% of Iraqi population just for ethnic difference. He introduced chemical warfare in the Middle East, which affected the lives of many. He was also accused of having links with various terrorist organizations. And finally, he was sentenced to death in 2006. Number 4. Mao Zedong. Some recognize Mao Zedong as a great leader, and he is also considered as the father of People's Republic of China. but only a few know that he was responsible for the death of more than 76 million Chinese due to famine and starvation. Many Chinese forcefully worked overtime with little to no food and rest. He made China a potential superpower at the cost of more than 76 million lives. Many committed suicide due to torture because of his mission, a giant leap forward. He also induced various Chinese youths and suppressed those who had Western connections. Maoism is a problem even nowadays in many parts of the world. Number 3. Joseph Stalin. If you were shocked by the results of the dictatorship of Mao Zedong, then we would like to tell you that Stalin was even worse than Zedong. He jailed everyone who disagreed with his policy, and he used those jails, popularly known as gulags, as a symbol of fear. A total of 14 million people were jailed. There is a saying that Gulag was the closest place to hell on earth, and majority of those who were jailed never returned alive. He also induced a great famine which resulted in the death of 14.3 million due to starvation alone. Prisoners of war were also treated really badly. Number 2. Adolf Hitler. We are sure that as soon as we hear dictatorship, the first name that comes to our mind is Hitler. But we would like to tell one funny fact about him. Hitler was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize in 1939, and Hitler was determined in getting one, while being one of the merciless humans to have ever existed on this planet. According to him, non-Germans aren't considered humans, and those who did not have German genes didn't deserve to live. The most brutal sin committed by him was the gas chamber incident. He stuffed thousands of prisoners and killed them with poisonous gas. While gulags were called as closest place to hell on earth, Nazi concentration camps were called hell on earth. It is disheartening to know that more than 11 million people were killed by him. Thank God he was defeated in World War II. Number 1. Idi Amin. You would have heard this name as the name of many villains in old cinemas. That's because he is the most evil man in history. Idi Amin was the dictator of Uganda, and once he took power, he immediately hanged the soldiers and officers who were loyal to the former president. There were numerous human rights abuses and mass murderings. The number of people he ordered to be killed is close to 300,000. What is shocking is that there were complaints of cannibalism by Idi Amin. It is said that Idi Amin killed his enemies and ate their flesh. This moron ate the flesh of more than 300,000 people. It is hard to even imagine how bad those people were really treated. Thank God we are born in the 21st century and in God's own country. This is it for today's video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned.